Hi everyone, welcome to the Explorer. Today we will look at grammar and reading.
Use the same exercise book that you used last week. Grammar Book 2. Forms of verbs. Can you write down these three words into your exercise book? Grammar Book 2. Write the title, Forms of Verbs. Verbs means 动词. So if you remember, verbs like go, goes. A new one, went. Okay, go means 去 goes 也是去 went 也是去 so these are the different forms of verbs. Okay, other examples will be like drink, drinks, drank. See, so drink, her, drinks 也是 her, drank 就是 past tense 的那个 her. Okay, so today we are going to take a look at these different types of verbs, the different forms of verbs, and that is what I will talk about, the simple present tense and the simple past tense. Okay, so when we talk about the simple present tense, so you can listen to me first, 听完了然后才抄. Okay, so when I talk about simple present tense, can you read together with me? Simple present tense. When I talk about simple present tense, 记得要几时用吗? Okay, we use simple present tense when we talk about habitual action. So habitual action 是怎样的? You can see words here. Okay, see? Every day, every morning, always, usually, often. So 这些字呢就要跟你讲它是时常发生，因为是每天 every day 每天 every morning 每天早上 always 时常 usually often 还有很多的 every year okay, every afternoon 我没有写完了 so these are verbs right or the words that tells you that it is habitual action and if it is a simple present tense the verb 动词怎样的有 s 跟没有 s 的对吗 so go goes and the meaning is 去 Okay, so when we talk about 有 s 跟没有 s 的，你就要记得什么？唱歌 I, you, we, they, go, go, go. He, she, it, one, goes, goes, goes. I, you, we, they, come, come, come. He, she, it, one, comes, comes, comes. 这一些 Alright, and when do we use? 几时要用 We use the simple present tense to show habitual action. 时常发生 Okay, let's take a look at a sentence. 我妈妈每天去巴萨 Okay, so my mother goes to the market every morning. So my mother goes to the market every morning. Every morning 就是 habitual action 时常发生的对吗 So your verb must be goes. You asked why? My mother, singular subject. I, you, we, they, go, go, go. He, she, my mother is she. Goes, goes, goes. So my mother goes to the market every morning. So this is what we mean by habitual action sentence. How do you know? 为什么你会知道它是时常发生呢？因为有 every morning. Okay, one more. We also use the simple present tense to show a fact, 一个事实 One example, they go to school. See, they go to school 一个事实，他们去学校。真的，他们真正去学校，不是去别的地方。So, subject they, verb go. Why go? 为什么不是 goes? Because they, I, you, we, they, go, 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 plural subject, use a plural verb. Okay, so this is what we call the simple present tense. Okay, now I want you to copy this the whole thing about simple present tense into your exercise book. 跟着我抄 ，OK， 不用紧的。如果慢的话 ，OK， 如果一天抄不完，你就要抄2次。Okay, so write simple present tense, leave a line, write every day, every morning, always, usually, often, leave a line. 你看我有 leave a line， 你就要跟着我 leave a line。 Right? Go, goes. Then leave a line. 然后就写 habitual action. Read the sentence. Leave a line and then a fact. And leave a line before you write a fact. And then write number 1. Okay? Use the whole page. 用整面来写，不要跟着我这样分三个空格，三个格啊，不要啊，就是整面写完它。OK， 不要空的。OK, you can start writing now. Okay, you need to pause. 要停一下，停，抄完先，然后才听我讲第二个。We move on to the second one, simple past tense. Okay, so simple past tense 写在哪里？写在下面，不可以写在旁边啊！不要跟我这样的啊！写在下面，不够位就写新的一面了。Simple past tense, so please read simple past tense. So simple past tense 是什么呢？是已经发生了。So 如果是已经发生，就不是 every day, every morning, always, usually, often 不是了，它是 yesterday 昨天。Just now 刚才 last week 上个星期 2 days ago 2天前，这些还有很多like you can say last night 昨晚也是过了。Okay, so I only give you 4 examples here. Okay, so when you talk about past 就是过了的话 then the verb 刚才的 verb 是 go, goes 去。What is the past tense of go? 去 the past tense 是什么？ Can you remember? Went. Very good. Okay, so went is the past tense. 所以人家问你 went 是什么意思啊？ Went 就是去的意思，一样的意思，去。Okay, so when do we use the simple past tense? 几时要用 simple past tense 呢？ We use simple past tense to show past action. 就是已经发生了 past action 就是已经发生才要用。Look at this sentence now. My mother went to the market yesterday. See? So see the word yesterday. Yesterday 是昨天。我妈妈昨天去 market. So you cannot use go. You cannot use goes anymore. You have to use went. Why? Because we're talking about past. 因为我们讲的是已经发生了 yesterday. So past tense of go is went. And your sentence, my mother went to the market yesterday. Okay, so this is what we call simple past tense. So what you need to do now is to copy. Copy this, all this about simple past tense into your exercise book. 抄在下面，继续的抄下面，不要分这样像我这样分的哈，不可以一面里面分2个格的，不要。Okay, so pause 停一下，抄 okay, and then read together. Okay, as you copy, you have to read simple past tense. Yesterday, just now. Last week, 2 days ago. And then past tense, went. Past action. My mother went to the market yesterday. Next, base form. Base form, 原本的字. So if you remember what I've told you before, When I taught you simple present tense, we need to have base form. Okay? What is base form? Can you remember? Can, could, will, would, shall, should, do, does, did, may, must, might, ought to, need to, have to. All these are base form verbs. Okay? So whenever we use or whenever there is a base form verb, okay, we need to remember base form verbs. We need to remember what? Can you remember? We need to remember that you must not add in. 不要再加什么？不可以再有用有 as 或者 past tense 的，要用回 base form 就是原本的字。Okay, so 当你看到这些 can, could, will, would, shall, should, do, does, did, may, must, might, ought to, need to, have to, 就要用回原本的字。Okay, let's take a look at this example. My mother did not go to the market yesterday. See, look at the word did not. Did. Can you see the word did? Did 是一个 base form. See the word did? Can, could, will, would, shall, should, do, does, did. 那个 did 就跟你讲，它是其中一个 base form. Okay, so I can circle this did here to tell you that this is a base form verb. 等下要用的时候就是 go， 不可以用 went。虽然它是 yesterday 过了啊，不可以用 went。为什么？因为有一个 did 在这里。Alright, okay, so your answer is my mother did not go to the market yesterday. 为什么不要用 past tense？ 因为有一个 did 就是要 base form 了。Okay, so that's for base form. So you have to remember all these words. So what do you need to do? Say base form below and you write can, could, will, would, shall, should, do, does, did, may, must, might, ought to, need to, have to. 就比较多要抄了，对吗？不用紧，抄完它。如果今天考不完，明天 continue 再抄过。Okay, so this is the different types of verbs or the different forms of verbs. All right, leave a line. Let's take a look at some sentences. Okay, write the title first. Exercise, 练习. Okay, write the title, exercise, 练习. Leave a line. I give you 3 words here. Drink, drinks, and drank. So what is the meaning of drink? Her drinks, her drank, 也是 her. Okay, so you ask 跟没有 ask 的就是 simple present tense. Drank 就是那个 past tense. 什么意思呢？ her 3个字都是 her 的意思。Let's take a look at example. When I talk about simple present tense, the boy, a glass of milk every morning. The boy, a glass of milk every morning. So can you see the word every morning? The phrase every morning. 每天早上时常发生，对吗？ Okay, so 如果它时常发生，就不可以用那个 drank 第3个字，不可以的。为什么？因为 drank 是用给 past tense。Okay, so this is present. So use the present tense drink or drinks. S 或者没有 S 的。唱歌 Are you ready? Drink, drink, drink. He, she, it, one, drinks, drinks, drinks. You're talking about the boy. One boy only. So that's he. So what is the answer? Drinks. Yes, this is the answer. Okay, so what I want you to do is you want to copy number 1, drink, comma, drinks, and drank. Okay? And then after that, write simple present tense 空行. You 要空行, then only you write A. The boy drinks a glass of milk every morning. So please read as you write. 写的时候就一起读起来，一起读。The boy drinks a glass of milk every morning. Okay, pause, 停一下，抄完先 then you continue with the next one. Next one, leave a line. Simple past tense. Look at this sentence. The boy, a glass of milk just now. Can you see just now? What is just now? Just now 就是刚才，过了没有？刚才过了呢。所以如果刚才那个男孩子刚才喝一杯牛奶，刚才喝，所以那个喝呢 ，you cannot use drink, you cannot use drinks now. You need to use the past tense. So what is the past tense for drink? Drank. See? So the answer, 刚才那个男孩子喝一杯牛奶。看他的动词不一样了 ，verb 不一样，所以为什么要学 simple present tense 啊？为什么要学 past tense 啊？就是这样。OK， 华语呢就是喝，刚才喝，每天也是喝，没有换的。英文有换。So you have to remember， 你要记得了。What is the past tense of drink？ 你就要讲 drank。Okay, leave a line. Okay, read and then leave a line. We move on to the last one. Base form. Base form 就是用原本的字，原本的字就不要加 s， 不要用 past tense. Example. The boy does not milk. 就是那男孩子不喝牛奶，他不喝牛奶的。Okay, so and this sentence you must remember the base form. Why? Because there is a word does. Can you see the word does here? Okay, you can highlight or you can underline or you can circle this word does. Does can could will would shall should do does did 记得吗？那个 does 所以有这个 does 过后呢，它的动词就要用 base form。那个 base form 的意思呢是原本的字，不要加 s 的，不要用 past tense 的。So the answer is drink. So the boy does not drink milk. So this is the answer. Okay, so that's number 1. So you're going to write this again into your exercise book. Okay, so 有一点多了，要抄很多的，不用紧。今天抄不完，明天呢？ Okay, we're going to have a few more sentences. Number 2. Swim, swims, swam. What is the meaning of swim, swims, and swam? 游泳。所以说 these 3 words 它的意思是游泳 in Chinese 一样的意思。Okay, then take a look at the sentences. When you talk about simple present tense, the boys in the pool every Sunday. So every Sunday 每个星期日，那些男孩子在游泳池游泳。Okay, so you don't have to copy. 你不需要抄 simple present tense 的。Okay, 现在不要抄 simple present tense 这个字，抄 A 罢了。Leave a line and then you copy A. The boys in the pool every Sunday. So 每一个星期日 那些男孩子，很多的男孩子哎，在游泳池游泳，时常发生，因为是 every Sunday， 所以时常发生用什么？有 s 跟没有 s 的，对吗？Okay, so the boys 不是一个，很多个 boys。So IUV they swim 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 they. So answer swim. So the boys swim in the pool every Sunday. So this is the answer for question A. Okay, so you copy the sentence and read as you write. The boys swim in the pool every Sunday. Leave a line. Okay, pause first. I pause. 停一下，抄完先。Then you leave a line. Leave a line for B. That is simple past tense. 不要抄 simple past tense 的，不需要抄。Okay, leave a line and you write B. Okay, what is B? Take a look at B. Can you see the word, right? Last week, the phrase last week. 上个星期 The boys in the pool last week. 是上个星期那些男孩子在游泳池游泳。上个星期过了是吗？ Okay, so if you remember what I told you, 过了不可以用有 s 跟没有 s 的，用什么？用那个 past tense. So what is the past tense for swim? Swim. So the answer, the boys swam in the pool last week. Right? B, the boys swam in the pool last week. And the last sentence, okay, base form. Okay, you don't have to write these two words. 不用抄, but leave a line and write C straight away. C, the boys did not in the pool. The boys did not. 那些男孩子没有在游泳池游泳。Okay, can you see the word did not? Did. Can you see? Can you remember the word did? Can, could, will, would, shall, should, do, does, did. That did 就是跟你讲要用 base form 的吗？ Okay, so what is the base form verb? 没有 s 的，不要 past tense 的，就是那个第一个 swim. So the answer, the boys did not swim in the pool. So 不要唱歌，也不要用 past tense 的，只是要用 base form， 就是原本的字。So I hope you can remember this. Okay, so write C. One more. Number 3. Leave a line. Number 3. Sleep, sleeps, slept. 睡觉。Okay, so slept 是睡觉 ，sleeps 睡觉 ，slept 也是睡觉。Sentence A. I, in my sister's room last night. So last night 这是昨晚，昨晚过了是吗？昨晚我睡在我姐姐的房间，过了。That means you cannot use as sleeps as the verb or slept. No, you have to use the past tense. So what is the past tense for sleep? Slept. So I slept in my sister's room last night. OK， 所以是看这样的话就要跟你讲，如果你讲昨晚我睡在我姐姐的房间，你就不可以讲 I sleep 的，你一定要讲 I slept。为什么？因为这个句子是已经发生。So you need to use the past tense. Okay? Now leave a line. If I'm too fast, you have to pause. Pause first. Okay? 就是要停下，抄完读，然后才 continue with B. Leave a line B. I always in my sister's room. 我时常睡在我姐姐的房间。只有时常发生，我时常。所以时常发生的话，就不可以用 past tense 那个 past tense verb 了，因为是时常发生，就要用有 s 跟没有 s 的，然后就唱歌。I, you, we, they, sleep, sleep, sleep. He, she, it, one, sleeps, sleeps, sleeps. So I sleep. Okay, I always sleep in my sister's room. Read the sentence and write the answer. Last one. Okay. Subject, I change to my friend. Okay, 不要 I 了，是讲 my friend. 我的朋友 cannot in my sister's room. 我的朋友不可以睡在我姐姐的房间。我朋友不可以睡在我姐姐的房间。See, my friend cannot in my sister's room. So 那个 sleep 还是 sleeps 还是 slept. Okay, this sentence, take a look at the sentence. This sentence, can you see the word cannot? Can, could, will, would, shall, should, do, does, did, may, must, might, ought to, need to, have to. So 这个 can 这个 cannot 呢，一样的就是那个 base form. Okay, so once you see the word can, 它就是 base form verb. So what is the base form verb? 原本的字就是不可以用 s 的，不可以用 past tense 的，原本的就是 sleep. So my friend cannot sleep in my sister's room. 所以如果有 base form verb 的话，你就不要去管它是不是时常发生啊，还是已经发生啊，没有了的，它不是 past tense，也不用看它是不是 habitual action， 它就是 base form. What is base form? Use base form 就是原本的字。Okay, so can you copy C into your exercise book? Number 4, leave a line. Number 4, fly, flies, flew, 飞。Fly 是飞 ，flies 也是飞 ，flew 也是飞。Okay, now I'm not going to give you answers. You are going to read the sentences on your own and fill in the blanks with these 3 words. Look at A, B, and C. Okay, read the sentences on your own. The yellow bird into my room 2 days ago. And then the second sentence B, the yellow bird cannot. And C, the yellow bird always into my room. Okay, the meaning of the sentence is 那黄色的鸟2天前飞进我的房间。So when you read A, you have to look at the time, 2 days ago. Then when you look at B, you can see the word cannot. And when you look at C, see the word always. Okay, think think and write the answer. 想想看，哪一个是 present tense 啊？哪一个是 past tense 啊？哪一个是用 base form 的？为什么要用 base form？然后就圈那个字起来。Then you use base form. Okay? So do these questions on your own. Number 4, A, B, and C. The same goes with number 5. All these questions, A, B, C, use the verb drive, drives, or drove. Drives, drive, drives, drove. 就是驾车 OK，驾车 you don't have to write the word car，就是 drive 就好了。OK， so what I want you to do is read the sentence A on your own, B and C. Talk about my parents. The subject, my parents. 我父母亲 to work 就是驾车去做工。几时 look at A, yesterday. Look at B, every day. And look at C. 他问什么？他问 Does Peter to work？ 就是 Peter 有没有驾车去做工 ？Peter 有没有驾车去做工 ？And check the word does. Write your answer. Once you are finished, send answers for question number 4 and number 5 to me. Then I would like you to read all the sentences from number 1 to number 5. 1A, B, C, number 2, A, B, C, until number 5, A, B, C.